Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Roblox and opening Settings, Account Info, then tap the Display Name field to edit. Once you're there, understand Roblox blocks common empty characters, so you'll use a valid invisible character or special white space. You need one working character only. Choose between U plus 2,800 or U plus 3,164. More on that next. Make sure you type your desired visible text as normal, and keep the length within Roblox limits before proceeding to paste the special space. Now you insert the invisible character precisely where you want the extra space. You copy U plus 2,800 Braille blank or U plus 3,164 Hangul filler from a character map or trusted source, then place your cursor, leading between words or trailing, and paste. Once pasted, confirm the visible letters remain correct. Roblox will treat the invisible character as white space, but often allow it. If you plan multiple spaces, repeat with caution. Roblox may normalize repeated invisibles, so test one at a time before saving. Finish by tapping Save and watching for validation. If Roblox rejects the display name, you should immediately try the alternate invisible character or slightly change surrounding letters, because some characters get blocked. Once accepted, view your profile and sign out, then back in to force cache refresh. Check both mobile and desktop to ensure the space appears consistently. Troubleshooting. If the name still shows without the space, replace the invisible char with the other option. One will usually bypass Roblox's filters.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.